Good morning to all students. Now, today we were going for the chapter 3 agriculture. Here, according to the agriculture, the types of farming in India. Basically, India is the agricultural country and agriculture is the primary activity which provides food and raw material for agro-based industries. Now, level of development in agriculture varies from state to state. Like Punjab and Haryana, farming method are the modernized, while in the Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh, farming methods are backward. Now, some of the important cultivation methods have been affected, like physical and environmental factor, economic factor, technological factor, and institutional or the social practices. Types of the farming in India. Basically, they are primitive types of farming or intensive subsistence farming and the commercial types of farming. Now, primitive or shifting cultivation. This type of farming done only in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh and here by the primitive communities. This type of farming is done to select a patch of land and the forest, cut down trees and burn rest of vegetation. This cleared patch is plowed by using of primitive tools, hoe, digging and a stick. Basically, family members or community laborers help in the farming and for irrigation depend on rainfall. The production is very low. Only the poor farmers are generally do this type of the farming. After a few years, while this type of farming is also known as the slash and burn method, while this is also known as zooming in India. Now, Indonesia, this is known as the ladang, and the Brazil, it is known as the roca. But in India, like northeastern part of India, this type of farming like zooming in the Chhattisgarh it is asked to be the Dippa and the Odisha it is known as the Pamadabi, Yakoman or Bringa. Number of the names are according to the different region. Second is the intensive subsistence farming. Basically this type of farming done on the high yields per hectare of land. Farmers try improve high yield varieties of seed and farmyard manure, fertilizer, chemical fertilizer and irrigation, plantation protection are major use. These type of planting farming are used in the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. Now, rice is the main crop and wheat is the main crops and sometimes farmers do the working of the growing pulses. Commercial farming. Basically, commercial farming is also known as the profitable or marketing farming. Especially this type of farming done in Punjab, Haryana and plantation agriculture in Assam like tea, coffee and rubber. Now plantation farming is very important due to it is the profitable in India like the tea, coffee, rubber as more importance in India. Generally this type of the farming done in the well and good and large number of the field. This type of the farming also done in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, tea for Assam, Darjeeling and West Bengal and coffee in the Karnataka and banana in the Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Now about the cropping pattern in India. Basically India have the three season Kharif, Rabi and Zaid season. These are the important season. Kharif का मतलब ये होता है means it is the summer crop season and Kharif crops are sown with onset of monsoon in the month of June and July and harvesting in the September and October, like some of the crops like maize, cotton, groundnuts, sesame, soya bean and tur, moong, millets, jowar, bajra. Now, Rabi crops, it means the crops which are generally in winter season in the month of October and November, and when the climate is cool, harvested in the month of March and February, wheat, grains, pea, barley, mustard. Now, these are the also sesame is grown as a Rabi crop in South India and oil seed are as a rapeseed in linseed. Now, main features of Zaid crops. Now, it is in the month of the April and May, the sowing period, like the muskmelon, watermelon, cucumbers, gourds, and other main crops grown in this season. These are grown on dry river beds, especially the importance for in areas proper irrigation, rice, maize, and sugarcane can also be grown. According to this of the map of India, you have to be seen largest number of rice production in the West Bengal. Now in West Bengal, 128 varieties of the rice is grown, but some part of the Uttar Pradesh is highly grown of the rice. Now major crops like some of the food crops. So we are going for the jowar, bajra, ragi, maize, millets, rich in nutritive here. Now wheat, especially wheat is grown in the Punjab, most important crops in India. Geographical factor required for the growth of rice. Basically, rice need the 25 centigrade temperature and 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter rainfall. Now, it is well grown in the clay soil or alluvial soil. Generally, the areas. Second, wheat. It is the second most important cereal and food crops, particularly of the peoples in the northwestern India. Major, these crops are grown on the Ganga Satluj plain, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, northern Rajasthan, and black soil regions of Deccan areas. Geographical condition of the wheat. Wheat is the basically winter crops. It require only 15 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade temperature. Now 25 to 25 degrees centigrade, bright in sunshine, and rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter rainfall is important for growing of the rice. Now basically in case of poor or no rainfall, irrigation facilities should be provided. The soil, loamy and alluvial soil would be drained. Timely application and fertilizer must be important for growing of the wheat. Now next is the millet. Basically millets are divided into the jowar, bajra and ragi crops. Now jowar is grown in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Bajra is grown in the Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, and ragi is grown in the Karnataka and the Kerala. Now the requirement of the water is mainly as same, 40 to 50 centimeter rainfall is enough for growing of jowar, bajra and ragi, and temperature 25 to 30 degrees centigrade temperature required. Now about the maize. Maize is important grain used both fodder crops. Here Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Jowar, bajra, millets, ragi. Now some important types of pulses. They are white gram, peas, masoor, urad, araher, which means tur dal, and moong dal, urad dal, moor dal. These are the rabi crops. Mostly these are the pulses grown in the Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. You have to be seen in this picture here some of the moong dal, here moong sabut, kala chana, urad and masoor dal are there. But pulses are basically grown in the winter season. Now sugarcane. Sugarcane is also important. It is grown in the month of the April to May, and here it is sowing period April to May. After harvesting period it is in the month of the February up to March. Now in case of the sugar grown of the farmers sell in the market, sugar cane is the major source of sugar, khandasri, jaggery, molasses. India is the second largest producer of sugar cane after the world Brazil. Now some part where the sugar cane is grown like the Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar and Punjab and Haryana. Now requirement of the sugarcane. Generally it requires the only hot humid climate 21 to 27 degree temperature and rainfall 75 to 100 centimeter rainfall. 92% of its crop grown is irrigated crop. It can be grown variety of the soils like black soil and ideal for growing of the sugarcane and labor intensive crop. It is long duration 10 to 12 months it is grown now. Now number of the times many people it is sowing the period in the month of the September to October and harvesting in the month of the period of the here on January, February and up till the March.